Hey everyone, now that we're done with decision making and mindset, and before we really start laying a new foundation of knowledge going forward, I wanted to put this video right in the middle just to lay some groundwork and make sure that we have good expectations going forward for what the purpose of everything going forward really is. So I bring this information to you, which is the culmination of 2 decades of experience, research, and experimentation. I bring this to you with the utmost of humility. And the reason that I say that is because each one of us is unique and different. For me to tell you what I think you should be doing would be naive. The purpose of the information that's coming here in the next several videos is about laying a new foundation of knowledge to enable you to really dial in what you need based on your unique needs from a nutritional standpoint and also from an activity level standpoint, knowing that each one of us is unique and different. What I mean by that is certainly we've got young, old, male, female, and the different ethnic backgrounds. For instance, we're going to be going into this in some future videos where ethnicity and certain genomes process foods differently, and it's the reason why I think some people are able to process higher fat diets and not have a cholesterol level, where other people, for example, really struggle to keep their cholesterol in check, even though they try to make tweaks to their diet. And so all of those things have to be dialed in, and the only person that can really dial that stuff in is you. And some other factors as well. Activity levels can vary a lot between many of us. Some of us travel for work, for example, and have to eat out a lot, whereas other people maybe don't. Some of you might be athletes. Some of you might be, disabled and confined to a wheelchair. And so certainly there's going to be different levels of activity amongst every one of us. And so there is no one size fits all. There is no one suggestion that fits everybody. So once again, all the information that's going to be coming in the subsequent videos is really designed to lay a brand new foundation of knowledge that is going to allow you to dial in your unique nutritional needs that is going to maximize your benefits, and it lasts for the rest of your life. All right, well, thanks a lot for listening to this one. Let's get started, and we're going to start the next video with understanding the difference between optimum health, just not being sick, and then of course disease. We'll see you over there.